हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम बॅक. आजचा क्वेश्चन आहे, फाइंड द पर्सेंटेज एरर इन कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ बॉडी हॅविंग मास 60 ± 0.3 ग्रॅम मूविंग विथ अ वेलोसिटी 25 ± 0.1 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. Okay, in this question we have to calculate the percentage error in kinetic energy. Percentage error in kinetic energy we have to calculate. First we will write given. We have given mass is equal to 60.0 ± 0.3 gram and velocity also given, that is 25 ± 0.1 centimeter per second. Okay, we know the formula of kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Okay, if we apply the formula of error, we will get delta E divided by E is equal to delta M divided by M plus 2 delta V divided by V. This half is constant, so there will be no error in this term. So we have to just calculate the error in mass and velocity. So delta M is given, that is 0.3, and M is given 60 plus 2 into delta V also given 0.1 divided by velocity also given. If you calculate this, we will get, if you calculate 0.3 divided by 60, we will get 0.005 plus, if you calculate this, we will get 0.008. If you add this, we will get 0.030. This is delta E on E, and we have to calculate the percentage error in kinetic energy, that will be equal to delta E divided by E into 100%. We have got the delta E divided by E, that is 0.013. If we multiply this with 100, we will get 1.3%. Okay, so answer will be percentage error is equal to 1.3%. Thank you.